What's up guys, this is Sri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this small Tenet version of this video. Everything will be played backwards. Oh yeah, the bike is not tubeless by any means. I've got the Altex kit installed on this one, on this motorcycle. It's a Japanese tape that covers all your spokes and makes your spoked rims into tubeless ones, which is really cool because I wanted to keep the spoked look of this motorcycle. It's on the expensive side. It costs about 13,200 rupees including labor. And yeah, it's really good. It's really good. And after that you just take out your tube and just throw it away. I mean, don't throw it away, keep it in case you get a massive puncture, so you can put the tube back in and get it to the nearest repair shop. I want to get some new gloves. I've been using these for the last 5 years. I think it's about time. That shit is scary, so always be at slower speeds. And no, the bike doesn't radiate any heat outwards. Or no, what I mean to say is, it doesn't get hot. It does not. I mean, you don't feel that your legs are on fire after riding about 12 hours on this, even riding about 12 hours on this motorcycle. You won't feel that your legs are on fire. No heating issues on this one. Liquid and air cooled, guys, so I don't know. No, I mean, not on my machine it does not get that hot. Okay. This should be interesting. A lot of you are asking that what are the shortcomings of a motorcycle? Like, I only talk about the pros of a motorcycle in my videos. So in this one, yeah, let's talk about those. To start off, this got a very slim bar. If it was a little thicker, then your hands wouldn't get tired. They do get tired, but only after really long hours of continuous riding. Everybody knows about the foot pegs. But I'm tall, so I don't complain. Just be careful so that you don't scrape your shins while reversing the motorcycle or navigating through traffic. Another bit is fuel efficiency. This does give me a good one because it's a BS6 variant, but honestly in cities during peak hours, during traffic, it'll barely give you 25, 24. I would have enjoyed a wider rear tire on this one, about 150 or so, from the company. I know companies like Timson and all, they do give you an aftermarket version of the wider rear tire for Interceptor or the GT 650. But honestly, wider rear tires, I mean Meteor is getting 140 section on the rear end. So what was wrong with the Interceptor? I don't know. That would have been nice. This would have given it a look of Speed Twin from Triumph. And I think about 120 section in the front would have been really catchy. That would have been good. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys have noticed the small helmet on the bottom right of the screen of the video. Right here. Right here, I mean. Right here. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Oh man, this would be awesome. How about a review of this one? You can park anywhere, go anywhere, you don't need a helmet. Pretty fuel efficient, I would say. And 1 horsepower, because that's 1. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there's a small helmet on the bottom right corner of the screen. I think right here, or here, somewhere here. Take your mouse screen there. take your mouse pointer there and see what that it says. Oh. Shortcomings of the motorcycle. Huh. What else? What else? We've covered the seat. We've covered the grips. We've covered the fuel efficiency. And small bit about the tires. What else? Oh, the pillion riding comfort. Well, again, it's related to the seat, so if you have better seats, the pillion would love you for that. If not, don't expect too much out of there. And I did take this on a long ride. So for taller people, actually, for taller people, the rider triangle is, I think, a little weird because it doesn't do anything to your shoulders, but it cramps up your knee, both knees. So I guess rear sets on Interceptor also would have been really nice. I don't know, maybe something about the ergonomics for tall people that messes up. I mean, it did give me cramps. I mean, not cramps, but then it lowers your blood circulation there after a couple of hours. So you need a break. You would definitely need a break. Same goes for the pillion who's sitting behind you. Whoa, bird. Because their foot would be positioned like that. A little bit towards, I think they're positioned at right angle, 90 degrees. So I hope you enjoyed this small video, Tenet movie style. Straight out.